Welcome to my new session. In this session, I will discuss chapter number 3, that is drainage pattern. This is a drainage pattern of a river. Now, look at this is a river. This is the upper reach of the river. Upper reach, where the river originates from the mountains. These are mountains from which the river originates. So that is the upper reach. And here when it joins the plain, this is a plain. Where it joins the plain, that is known as breadth of the slope. Now, this is also called the upper course of the river. Here the river is known as young. When we classify the river into 3 parts, then this is a younger stage, where the river flows swiftly. बड़ी तेजी के साथ नदी यहाँ से फ्लो करती है. और here the main job of the river in the mountain is erosional. The job of the river is erosional, and deep erosion takes place in the upper course of the or upper reach of the river, where it is in young stage. So the job done is erosional. Erosional work is done. So down cutting is more. Here you look at this bottom of the river. Down cutting takes place. Then the river proceeds further. Now here it becomes it flows through the plain. This is a plain area in which the job of the river is transportation. It is called a middle course, or we can say that river comes to mature. This is a mature stage of the river, and it is a middle course where work is transportation. Now, you know this here the river erodes, the side erosion takes place. That is called lateral erosion. In upper course, it was a deep erosion, and in the middle course, the erosion is lateral. Side cutting is there. Side cutting is there. Now, in the plains, this is a island. This island is a depositional feature of the river. This is a depositional feature. Now, this is a Majuli Island. It is also known as riverine island. Riverine islands are those islands which are found in between the river. It's a depositional feature. So this is a riverine island, or we can say it's a braided channel. One channel is flowing through this, and another channel is going through this. So this is a braided channel. And then this is also the riverine channel, riverine island. Majuli Island of India is a riverine island that is found in Brahmaputra river. Then the river proceeds further through the plains. Now it comes to near the sea. It comes near the sea, where this is a lower reach, or we can say lower course. Here the job of the river is depositional. The job of the river is depositional in lower course or lower reach. And this is the old stage of the river. This is the old stage of the river where the deposition takes place. Depositional work. It is the mouth of the river. Now, what is the mouth of the river? The mouth of the river is that point at which the river joins the sea. What is the mouth of the river? I am repeating it. Mouth of the river is that where it joins the sea. That is the mouth of the river. So this area is the mouth of the river, students. Then now here when it joins the sea, then it divides into different channels known as distributary. So here the formation of delta takes place. Now what do you mean by delta? Delta is a triangular deposition of the silt, sand and clay brought down by the river at the mouth of the river. That is known as delta. It is a highly productive region. It is a highly productive region, and it is covered by the dense mangrove forest. Mangrove forests are mostly found in deltas. For example, Sundarban Delta formed by river Ganga. So this is a delta. The delta is a depositional feature of the river, and it is in triangular form. So that is why it is known as delta. Then students, now this is the drainage pattern of the river. What is the drainage pattern? Drainage pattern is the river system of an area. This is a geographical area along the river. So this is a drainage pattern, means it's a river system of an area is known as drainage pattern. Look at these rivers. These are the tributaries. What are tributaries? Tributaries are the small rivers which joins the main river. This is a main river which joins the main river from a height. So this is called tributary. Now these are the small streams which joins this tributary, and ultimately the tributaries joins the main river. Now this is also known as drainage basin. Now what is a drainage basin? Drainage basin is that area which is drained by the main river. This is the main river, and this whole region is drained by the main river, that is the main river. So these are the tributaries. Now what happens, students? The water of this river, these are the tributaries. So these tributaries and this main river, they recharges the groundwater of whole the region. This recharges the groundwater of the whole the region. It means we can say when the rainfall takes place. When the rainfall takes place in this region, then the water joins these streams and they joins these tributaries, and finally it reaches to the main river. That is why whole region is known as drainage basin of the this river. जितनी बड़ी नदी होगी उतना ही बड़ा उसका ड्रेनेज बेसिन होगा. मैंने आपको लेक्चर में भी बताया था. I told you that Delhi is located on the river Yamuna. That is why Delhi is the drainage is in the drainage basin of the river Yamuna. So this is a drainage basin, and these are the patterns of different tributaries. How they are joining the main river. Now here I want to tell you one thing more. Ki, the people who are living along this river valley, they depends upon this river. They fulfill their need of water with the help of this rivers. If we construct a dam across this river, then we will be helped by this dam through canal irrigation. There will be canal irrigation. So that is why this is a drainage basin. Okay students. Now next topic will be water divide. Now students, there is also a important term that is used in drainage system of India, and that is water divide. So this is a water divide. Students, this is a upland area or a mountain or a hill, and this hill, mountain or water divide, or hill, mountain or an upland, that divides two river systems. This is the main river, river number 12. That is a main river, and these are its tributaries. These are its tributaries. 11 number and 10 number is a tributary, and 12 is a main river. Here 1 is a main river and 3 and 4 are the tributaries. This is another river system. This is another river system, and the main rivers are originating from the same upland, but towards opposite directions. This is flowing toward this direction and this is flowing toward this direction. And which is separating them? The upland or a ridge or a mountain. That is known as water divide. Means water divide means an upland or a mountain or a ridge which divides the two river system is known as water divide. Students, one thing is also more. In between the two rivers, this region is known as Doab. Doab means two waters, means this is a main river and this is a tributary. Now in between these, this is a land area in between these two rivers, that is known as Doab. Here also this is a Doab. This is Doab. Doabs are very fertile area. This is that region which lies between the two rivers is known as Doab. Thanks, students.